Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system readiness. 64-bit Windows, 8+ GB RAM, and a recent GPU driver, because the emulator relies on modern GPU features. Once confirmed, install Visual C++ Redists, Net4, 8, and DirectX to provide required libraries. Next, create a dedicated folder and place the emulator package and the Xbox 360 keys there. This isolates files and avoids permission issues. Make sure Windows Defender or Antivirus is configured to allow these files, since real-time blocking often halts the first launch. You now install and configure the emulator itself. Extract all files to that dedicated folder and run the executable as administrator to ensure registry and driver hooks initialize correctly. Once running, import the Xbox 360 keys via settings. This authorizes decrypted content, which is why the keys are essential. Then point the emulator to your game's /content directories so it can read ISOs or extracted folders. Finally, select the GPU backend. Vulkan often gives best compatibility, but Direct 3D12 can be faster on some systems, and enable shader caching to reduce stutter. You finish by testing one verified game and iterating settings. Set resolution and frame limit, choose appropriate CPU thread count, and map your controller so inputs register properly. Once done, enable performance overlays and logging. These show FPS, GPU load, and reveal bottlenecks. If you encounter crashes or black screens, the most effective fixes are updating GPU drivers, switching the graphics backend between Vulkan and Direct 3D12, or clearing the shader cache and letting it rebuild. Keep notes of changes to reproduce a working configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.